have a 32-ounce plum here from Steel Magnolia. I have it prepped and I painted it a dark blue. We're just going to add a little bit of epoxy for the epoxy method to apply our blue glitter. This blue is called Betsy. It's from our June designer box, and it is by far one of my favorite blues I've ever created. It's a perfect amount of mini chunky and dimension, and it's absolutely perfect for this cup. After your cup is all glittered, you're going to epoxy until smooth, and we're going to measure the center of the cup. Mine is about 9 3/4 inches. We're going to take our first pattern. I decided to go with these patriotic flowers, and we're going to cut a 4.5 inches tall by the diameter of your cup. Mine was that 9 3/4 inches. Taking that rectangle we just cut, we are going to place that directly in the middle of our cup and wrap it around. Right here, I'm just making a template for our next step. I cut a piece of paper the same dimensions as our first pattern vinyl, and then just drew out a 55-degree angle and spaced it about 1 inch apart and cutting it out of paper. I found the best way to do this was to add a tiny piece of tape on the top and bottom of your template. And we're just going to place our ruler on top of the template as a guide, and then cut 4 to 5 strips in the second pattern vinyl with your X-Acto knife. I decided to only use 4 of those strips, so I went around my cup and made 4 evenly spaced markings. I'm just going to follow those markings and line up the vinyl on the bottom where the strip slightly wraps around your cup. You will have something that looks like this when you have all your strips applied. We are now just going to add the slightest bit of epoxy because we are going to add silver chunky glitter to the top and bottom. So you only need enough epoxy to get that glitter to adhere. Taking our chunky silver glitter, this is called sparklers. We're just gonna slowly go around the top and the bottom and cover that vinyl line. Now that we have that silver glitter on, I'm just going to take a pinch of the same glitter, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on the cup to soften that harsh line and create more of a softer ombre look. I have some Mod Podge here in a precision tip squeeze bottle. I'm just going to add some detailing to my flowers here with a finer cut of glitter. This glitter I'm using is called Red Glare. Once you have your cup all glittered the way you want it, take a dry brush and brush off all that excess glitter and then give it a good spray seal. It's now time to add your decal. I went with this really cute All-American Babe and put it right in the middle of our vinyl twist. We have our patriotic beauty all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like more tips and tricks, join my Facebook group with the link in the description and look for me on all other social media platforms. Thanks, guys.